Wisner Bosserhoff offers matching telescopic wall spacers for the Sentida SC. These can be easily mounted on the chassis of the bed. To do this, move the bed slightly away from the wall. Then set the brake again. A corresponding receptacle is provided on the chassis for attaching the spacer at the head end. Here you can simply fasten the spacer with a thumb screw and then extend it to the desired length. The attachment of the lateral spacer is done in a similar way.